Welcome everybody. This is George Veter, Veter Financial Group, wanting to wish you New Year, Happy New Year. I know we're a little late saying that, but we're still in January and looking forward to everything that this year promises, and filled with gratitude that you as my clients and those that follow us are coming into this new year with us, another new year, 2023. First of all, I want to congratulate everybody for surviving a very difficult year last year, bear market year, as you know. 2022 was one of just 13 bear markets we've had since World War II. So they don't happen all the time. They're very difficult to get through psychologically, especially. And we made it, and everybody, kept the faith. And even though we had some scary moments, all of you stayed invested and stayed faithful to our philosophy. And so I'm just pouring out gratitude to you for following us and believing in us. Now the market has had a recovery period. We hit our lows for the year thus far at the end of September, 1st of October. So that's your statement that looked the worst. And now as you're coming in for reviews, a moderate style portfolio is somewhere around 10% recovered. Or 10% from the October low. So that's a lot of recovery in a short period of time. We've also had a rotation in asset classes. In 2020 and 2021, everybody just wanted technology and biotech. Last year, 2022, they were the hated sectors, and technology got taken to the woodshed more than every other sector. So some of our favorite stocks, the Googles of the world and the Amazons of the world, took huge hits. And we have all these layoffs now that are resulting from that market performance and the change in the climate in Silicon Valley. And we haven't seen that really since the year 2000. So had a change in sentiment towards the different sectors. Last year it was more about slow growth, more dependable companies, represented more in the Dow than anywhere else because of its industrial weightings. And so value stocks won the day, which is half our portfolio. So we were well represented. But then so far this year, it's been a return and buying up those beaten up growth names. Just goes to show you again, you can't market time. The styles and the sectors and the biases constantly change. What we do know is that we're getting to the end of the Fed tightening cycle, which the market has been holding their breath for. We don't know exactly how the timing is going to look, but we have about another half a point that the Fed's committed to raise interest rates before he hits pause button and goes neutral for a period of time. And then at some point in the future, there'll be the pivot to pick up growth through lowering interest rates. We don't know the timing on that. I'm not going to try to throw out what my best guess is. I just know that is in our future. So bear markets are difficult to live through, but they're short. This one was too. This one's about 10 months old. The average bear market is a little less than a year. The good news is every bear market is followed by a bull market, just like every winter is followed by spring. Well, we're fixing to get to the bull market cycle, and it's going to be exciting. Those bull market cycles will average 5 to 7 years by all the credible sources that I can find, and that's going to be your historical averages. So we spend 80% of our lives in a bull market, 20% of our lives weathering a bear market. So good job in going through the difficult moment, and now we're looking at moving into that cycle that gives you the reward for your patience. I just want to let you know that as the president of this company and as the founder of this company, I feel like the most blessed guy in the room, no matter where I go, because I've found something that I do for a living that I absolutely love and I feel like has an impact in people's lives. I wake up every day excited to serve you and see you for the reviews and have whatever form of communication I can have with you. And I am so excited to get through this difficult moment and get on to the reward season that I know is coming. So I look forward to our communications through the year, and for our touch points, please feel free to call myself and my staff for any questions that you might have or things that you read that you want more clarification on. Let's stay on the same page and continue to progress forward. So happy New Year, and again, thank you.